Step into the 2015 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the six-speed automatic transmission. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.